How to highlight text in Google Docs. First of all, open the Google Docs app and select the document where you want to highlight text. Make sure the document is fully loaded before proceeding. Next, tap and hold to select the text you want to highlight. You can drag the selection handles to adjust the highlighted area. Once your text is selected, tap the A icon with horizontal lines at the top of the screen to open the formatting menu. In the formatting options, tap on the highlight section. Choose your preferred highlight color from the palette. Your selected text will now be highlighted with the color you choose. You can change or remove the highlight by repeating these steps and selecting none or a different color. And that's it. Now you know how to highlight text in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.